Hello everyone! This happened to me with my new boa constrictor and I freaked out and stressed out about it, so I thought I would offer some advice on this subject. When you buy a snake online, there are hundreds of concerns going through your head as a buyer. Your setup, the temperature, the humidity, what's the best substrate, what to do if there are mites, an upper respiratory infection, stargazing, if the snake is healthy, but most of all, what to do if your snake doesn't eat. For any type of parent, no matter if it's human kids or pet babies, it's extremely stressful when they don't eat. Snakes are known to go on feeding strikes. I've heard ball pythons are notorious for this, which is why I don't currently own one. I'm way too high strung for that. But some snakes may refuse to eat for months to a year just to make your life miserable. And there are numerous reasons why your snake isn't eating. Poor husbandry, new owner, is it in a shed cycle, is it sick? Or maybe it just doesn't want to. Whatever the reason, it's stressful for you as the owner to keep offering prey and the snake refuses to eat it. So what do you do? First, check your husbandry. Make sure the temperature and humidity is correct for your species of snake. Make sure you have enough hides and clutter so the snake feels secure. If you just got your snake, it's important to leave it alone. No handling if you can avoid it, and don't disturb it unless you're changing water or misting the enclosure. Your snake is in a new environment and it's scared and anxious. Once it is adjusted to the new smells and sounds of its home, it should eat for you. Try feeding it at night. Most snakes are most active at night, and this is the time when it would usually hunt, so provide food late at night and they may take it. If it's in a shed cycle, meaning its eyes are cloudy and its skin is duller because it's about to shed its skin, it might refuse food because of this natural process. Wait until after the snake has shed its skin and then offer it a meal. Sometimes a snake who is used to eating live might not recognize frozen thawed rodents as food. You may need to pretend to be prey, moving the rodent around the terrarium with your tongs to mimic natural behavior, and this may prompt the snake to eat. For some species like hognose snakes, whose natural prey is toads, you could try scenting the rodents with the toad smells until they eat the rodents without it. For other snakes, you could cut it open and release the scent of blood, and that may get a feeding response. Some people say feed live rodents to picky snakes and gradually shift to frozen thawed, but if you're in a situation like me where live rodents aren't available or you just don't want to feed live, then this isn't an option. It's important to make sure any snake you get is eating frozen thawed successfully a few times before the breeder sends it to you. So before you buy, verify that. Now, here's a tip I haven't heard any other people use, but this kind of worked for me. You can play mouse noises on your phone at night. And once again, I don't know if this works or not, but it's something I tried when my snake wouldn't eat, and he did eat. So it's worth a shot. You can try to reach out to the breeder for their tips and tricks to get the snake to eat. Most breeders care about the snakes they breed, so they should be able to help if the situation is dire. You may be able to ship it back to them so they can get them successfully eating. If all else fails, take the snake to a reptile vet. It may be sick or something else may be wrong. The vet may offer to assist feed. I would only recommend this step for professionals. You could seriously endanger your snake if you do it wrong, so don't try this at home. I really hope this doesn't happen to you and whatever snake you get is healthy, happy, and eating properly. Do you have any more tips to add? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, give this video a thumbs up or down. Let me know if you liked it or hated it, and subscribe for more. I post videos every Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye!